Welcome back to Summit Sunrise, here with Kimberly from Arapahoe Basin, and you guys are doing some fun things for summer.
We are. We have 5 different summer events this summer, which range from, we had a trail race on Sunday, July 2nd, but now our next event is this Friday, and it's a wildflower dinner.
What does that mean?
Okay, so we haven't done one in 2 years, but basically it acts the same as our snowshoe dinners during the winter, but you can either take the lift or hike up to Black Mountain Lodge. Chef Rybeck has created this amazing spread of Colorado-grown foods, and then afterwards you can hike down or take the chairlift down.
Wow. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are aware of some of these, you know, the full moon snowshoe dinners and things like that, but the setting at the Black Mountain Lodge, I mean, it's so unlike anything else that you can experience in Summit County.
It's almost like solitude mid-mountain. You have views of the Continental Divide. The moonlight, once it pops up, shows, you can't even describe it. It's so beautiful up there. And then, of course, the building itself, which was constructed in 2007, it's amazing. It's a great setting for a dinner.
And, you know, just on an average day, I tell you guys this all the time, but when it comes to food at the ski resorts, you don't think of it as being like 5-star, just like unreal food. But at A-Basin, I mean, you guys have the best food at a resort I've ever had, like hands down. It's so good.
It's delicious, and I actually stole the menu from the chef, so I can tell you some of the items that we have on the menu for this Friday night. So it's all Colorado grown. So it's all fresh Colorado organic items.
Love it.
So we have rainbow trout, a sirloin of lamb, which I believe is from 2 Mile Creek. We have bison, vegetables, assortment of salads, cheeses. And I'm not going to tell you about the dessert, because if you can eat all that and then have dessert, then you're pretty good.
So how does this whole thing work? Take us through it.
Okay, so we start around 5:30. Well, actually, first you go online to Arapahoe Basin and reserve your space.
Okay.
Then you'll come to the ski area, hike up the mountain, or take the chairlift, whatever works best for you. But our new Argentine North Fork Trail is pretty remarkable if you haven't been on that. You'll go to the dinner. Wine, music, food, you meet new friends because it's very home-style table-like. And then afterwards you can go down and see the wildflowers, or you can take the lift back down and you have the rest of the weekend free.
Oh my gosh, so cool. If you haven't been able to, 1, test the food at Arapahoe Basin, 2, if you haven't seen the Argentine North Fork Trail, this trail, I hike a lot around Summit County, and I had the pleasure of being able to go out there and actually hike this entire trail. It is gorgeous. You guys did so much work on this thing, but it gives you so many options, like so many fun things to look at.
It does.
And it's just this, like, definitely on my list of things to do when my family comes to town.
It's beautiful. It was made by our staff with the direction of a gentleman who actually creates mountain biking trails. So you really hike up, and it goes in and out of the trees. There's like little waterfalls. There's a bridge. It really is just a remarkable, and it only takes 30 minutes to hike up there. It's a remarkable hike.
And so, you know, if people don't maybe maybe they're going to be out of town, you know, this Friday or things like that, do you have other events that will be up there as well?
We do. Next Thursday, July 26th, we have a yoga on the mountain. And basically, once again, we'll take you a hike up the mountain. The chairlift won't be running this day. And then you'll do an hour of yoga on the Black Mountain Lodge deck, looking at the Continental Divide, and Allison Simpson is the instructor for that day. And then afterwards, Chef Ryback once again has created like a spa luncheon, so soup, salad, salmon, fruit, just an array of delicious food. And then afterwards, hike back down. And that event is only $35, so it really isn't that much.
Wow.
Yeah.
I would pay $35 just to have Chef Ryback cook me lunch. So not even, you know, accounting for the yoga or for the hike or for the day spent over at the Black Mountain Lodge. But oh my gosh, Kim, like I'm so excited that you guys have these events, because it really is just so gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. So again, how do people get signed up for these events?
Just go to arapahoebasin.com. Right on the homepage there, you'll see a summer events. Just click on it. We have other events, brunch and a clam bake later in the summer, but the first wildflower dinner and yoga on the mountain, which we're talking about, are right there. Click on them, press the buy now button, and sign up. And then always, if you're not computer savvy, feel free to just call us, 888-ARAPAHO.
All right. Oh, man. Well, I'm excited for these events. Hopefully you guys are too. We're going to take another quick break here on Summit Sunrise. Coming up, we still have Washington Winds, so don't go away.